Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving and investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. So I wanted to come here and talk about a couple things we do now that it's summertime that we do in order to save money. So one of the things we'll do is we have a garden, and we plant a lot of stuff in the garden. I have some video footage here where it's showing the garden beforehand and then what I have with it right now. So I'll show that footage after I'm done talking here. But we'll do that, and that saves us a lot of money on vegetables. And it's nice having those fresh vegetables that you can pick right out of your garden. And I know what you're saying is, well, Leroy, I don't have the space to put a garden in like that. But what you can do is container gardens. Now, I watched a channel, I believe it's called Our Rich Journey. And what they would do is they lived in California, in like San Francisco or Los Angeles. And they would have a container garden out in their backyard, just little pots. I mean, I'll show you because I've got some stuff like that right now with we moved them from hydroponics into soil. So, but they would do the same thing. They would just grow their stuff in pots, and that's what they would have. So they would have fresh groceries, and they would get it right there in the city. So that was one way that they used to save money on their grocery bills. And I mean, you can do that every year, and that just constantly replenishes. I mean, just imagine what one tomato plant can do to save you on money. Another thing we do is we hang our clothes outside. And I know a lot of places, like if you live in the city, it's hard to hang your clothes outside. But I live in the country, so we have a clothesline. We hang our clothes outside, and we put them on the clothesline. Just a way to save money. So, you know, that's a few things we do. We have a fan. We don't really have air conditioning. I have an air conditioning unit, but like right now, the wife is really, well, I don't want to say not happy with consumers, but she's looking at the consumer's bill and she's like, no, if you turn the light on, I'll break your fingers. You know, if it's not sunny out and I can't put the clothes on the line, clothes aren't getting washed. She's like, in fact, if it starts raining, I'm just going to rub the clothes with soap and we'll hang them out on the line, and that's how they'll get washed, and then they'll dry next time it's sunny out. So, I mean, obviously she's joking, but sometimes that's how you feel. But, you know, these are little things that you can do to save you money. Just find ways to think outside the box. When you look at something that requires power, especially in the summertime, because a lot of people are using power and it's really drawn on the power grid. So your rates are going to go up in the summer. Now, if you can do anything to disconnect off that power grid just a little bit, you'll save yourself a lot of money. So with that being said, let's get our finances under control. If you like videos like this, give me a big thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel down below. All right, thanks for watching.